so happy watching her mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so happy watching her mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so happy watching her mesmerized by the eyes.
This program is proudly sponsored by
CJ Multimedia,
Angel Cola,
King of Antique,
the next gospel star.
Everything from Mama Kwaba, yea, and I see that for some cockra. Nayas, and I'm a pump for assign a shebi. Mrs. Sabit snap made you see. Now, because the experiences in life. Well, I have no idea. So, money wouldn't see many other. And as you can see, and from my abuafwa, as so ya saying, Medofo, as a back equipment, yeah, any studio, yeah, wouldn't mean CJ Multimedia, everything. BB up here, a fire equipment, and dear, but more than na friend one number 0545059319. Na se Uria, Angel Colan, so dear, and then as I say, dear, Aji, Asiti, El baby, Angel peach, angel mango, angel orange. Just a nina. Rough baby, I will be a bomodia na fre one number C. One number no 0244 8322 86 0244 8322 86. Mirofu in a sebedi and so dia padding foods. I padding food say baby, I will be ano. Ye be your order the amount. Come. Mirofu as a bunny rings so dear. A cute cat palo. Ewo Abeka Junction is so one more and a cute cat palo. Ewo baby, I will be ano bomodia na kokojo. Atari ehemi ya me hwa ye fi so die mi do fo baby a obi ya no o number say na etwagu e wo screen no ennim no me do fo afi enkonwa yi free king of antique furniture say baby bia o bia bo modern na tofa La Paz Abrantie Sport building name na brabeje wo die me do fo nyankopon shaw say da ne da oje bre na wo hwe na me nsembri mi twa me ho na se we die me ba enne no me bre more levels.
something refreshing and great tasting for your kids' enjoyment. Angel Cola. For your graduation enjoyment.
Angel Cola,
Beach hangout.
Angel Cola,
For all your refreshing moments.
Angel Cola.
For your parties, get-togethers, events, and celebrations, enjoy a chilled bottle of Angel Cola. Radio Grandma, today is your day. Over to you.
Thank you. Enjoyment Cola.
The Enjoyment Cola. Enjoy all your moments and fun time with Angel Cola. This advert is FDA approved.
Live life, we go full my belly,
CJ, a Nyamba. CJ Multimedia, Ababa Drew, Sacrum, Kumasi, Ataji, and Neatidene.
CJ Multimedia, Yejumako, Kessia Babe PM, Ghana ha. A funny perco one day on Nehwakade. Sesa stage, light, screen, sound, and now empo video production. Ye nina.
And don't say you to Jimmy, say ye, say any pardon, share more, see live streaming, and mount, and then who she say, CJ Multimedia say, ye war mount.
Ube huya wa boshen, ye ni masalachi junction, me din she ni mu. Freyen 050-196-7227 and na 024-608-1616.
CJ Multimedia, ye ni masters no.
Aye, too many worries, aye.
Only strictly
The next gospel star.
Everything for me more kwaba bi. Na mani agia na chesa me yam hushe ye. Yay! Oni bibi. Surprise. And na me akasa me mamme. Me superstar. Ya hima ba ko pe. Ya de nyina. Ora yere Nana Penny Ahi counselor. I said, Mamma, no more fat, me to me, and any me no crack, no more feather drop. Nana Mpacho so be ahoye. Acham you be ahoye. And Nana Jo 2, Nana Jo 4, Nana Jo 6, Nana Pia. Yay! Sweet mommy.
Yes,
Makwaba.
Yeah, baby.
Nana Penny. Mrs. Papa B. Tuntum so you. Wait, no fake no filter, no Mama, who for what's it? Me show. And you were put and swap. Oh, many are so be brave. Enemy of my dear, Mr. Wardman, Dr.
Naya, the queen herself.
Doctor, now what to say?
Call
her. Yeah, fine. I said, Mama, who is the Niaji? This is it. Nana, you know, the Niaji. Hey, Mama, I heard your best suffix. I was needing
or the mammy father. That ya once your bottles be your hot, yet a tea, you know, labels, and I just or present tea. And many are Japan.
When you are
to say you have a microphone award.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, media.
Penny Radiator. Now, can we see her? Can I Ghana for jelly? I can see a jelly. Now, what you can I can me talking better to bomb. Now, me this show palm with chin. And I made the show you some auntie. Nana, he meant it. Nana, he must say,
my way, so now me wish my husband
a happy birthday.
Yeah, happy.
Oh, my name is
20th marriage anniversary.
Oh, it's in your ben. I see a chuma.
And you ono ope a bujubantin.
Okay.
Reggae
wo.
Ay bujubantin.
Okay, and doctor chokakra na fa wish papa maye na mama ye.
Me ka betu me amenyu because eno be fata mo.
Senka wo ye wo de nka to reggae.
Every day. Life springs.
Oh my God.
Life wins. You have to win. Every battle, every struggle to the top. Never give up. Life is sweeter, only for the strongest.
Wow.
To make hay.
Wow.
Whilst the sun shines, you can make it. You can make it.
Wow.
You can make it.
Wow.
I'm a soldier.
Oh.
You a soldier. We are soldiers. For the battle.
Wow.
So the end of time. The end of time. We can make it.
Wow.
You are heroes. We are heroes. We are heroes.
Any and I'm a Jim award in any.
Yay!
Already a heroic.
Present to mommy.
Celebrate.
Dr. UN.
Queen.
Yaboko.
Nayas.
Yeah. Bakope. Ibia eboko. And yemma me kama. We show the BBA kui.
And the home is in Bremer.
Okay, Yembra. Back to Yensams.
Yeah.
You can't tell you and Dr. UN.
Dr. UN say, Edina trendy.
Of course, yeah.
Me first answer be quite.
Oh, okay.
And me answer me. And they call me school. In our Kumasi.
Okay.
Fantastic JSS.
Oh, okay.
KUST Secondary. Ghana Bible College.
Wow.
KUST.
Oh, wow.
And that can be UK Sussex and Harvard US.
Oh, really? Yeah. Okay. Udi and Shabbat from
Kwame Owusu for
Kwame Owusu for Joe.
Yeah.
So why Dr. UN?
Me Baba somebody. Me Baba. Me started 2006.
Okay.
But 2010. And a July.
2010 Gina.
Yes. So 2010 I started use UN Millennium Development Goals. 8 goals na UN for person aban bi ade share the constitution na you implement it, like gender parity, education, universal education for children, poverty alleviation, disability, and then it's
oh, don't worry.
medicine 8 goals na ya awards extra structure no nti obajo award that we say be a went but I went down obajo award they started 2010 and I'm year 2014 me 2015 2015 na ya Kofi Annan bye saa goals no na ye twama de aba new leader so ne de nti na me ye Alisa Hotel.
Oh, okay.
Na Mr. Kofi Anamu by.
Wow.
Yes.
Hey, doctor, you know when you packet to what boy Juma?
Yeah, Ashanti Hall.
Wow.
See, me ye no akosi price me by.
Wow.
Me ye no ewie no ana mba 2018 Kofi Anamu wie no me ye moving pick.
Okay.
Ana mba ye 2020. The 2020 until mo ahun say I said my word am me nyaye. UN for no postulates no goals na say you implement ma crew be and develop no. And I'm the ehesebo abasebo there. Eti ade bia we bia achievements no. Say we me kabo mu na hwe goals na he fan there na wo dia cover enti ya ebo na baso. And I'm the share 2020 there no.
Okay.
28 August. Nti me frɛ atitiro my fan say atitiro we asem nya. 90% there.
Bye.
Yes.
Okay. Every year ben no.
2020.
2020 na me say so come asa akodi mu na wo da na ye fake.
Omo na e kan.
But one say they say fake.
Any fake.
Because oh baby e ko na nyina say ka you na ma fake in fact.
So odika okota na oni bi. Omo kan. But me here press tone no. I'm a chair award dance because United Nations wait me financial award on the chair. Say I use the logo and I say the brand at DB but now I would that jail ka what it.
Oh, okay.
But then the brains that went into the award no so.
Oh, my.
Because my institutionalized idea amuchia and go for billions of dollars. Say among conclusion and make sure say
okay.
Like water projects. The water the yankwan and far the cap no.
Okay.
It just say me probi a star can say. What dom dinachi population dinachi. So who could nsuo. And the sa akode obeka oba
na akode dey na say we use snap.
What we are as a flask. Until time or crime is up say okọ VGM say akọ sign autograph.
Okay.
Akọ champion for this way. And now we mo we two for him for. We Kofi Annan said and nema say in honor of him no.
Yeah.
So that he realized say oh bigger thing. I think he was one of the minor people who knew MCB no kind letter about what he was coming to receive. But people like Honorable Speaker of Parliament, Pastor Kobesafo, with the ministers, CEOs, Anglo Gold Line Mining, they all knew because they were sponsoring me. They sponsored the award. Because behind him say, this is the proposer, Dr. Debrain. And he say, faker, they will never even
allow you to
own share billions of citizens be sponsor. And award my own frame number no bisa say e cost way. Oko internet. They check 28 then e cost Ghana. That's how the promotion went. And then we had the high commissioners. Yes, US High Commissioner to Ghana, Iranian High Commissioner to Ghana, Korean High Commissioner to Ghana. So diplomats we now buy. People were like, they all want to say, I didn't mean I'm here. That's where people were like, okay, wait there, you fake.
Okay.
But letter never honor. It was drafted with all knowledge.
Okay.
In consultation because we call president office.
Wow.
Yes, we book appointment on another office. And to your surprise, we call some penny phone office, invite you, the whole world now. A book appointment with your president. But that day, how I was honored to come and explain it to him why I want to honor him.
Wow.
Now I was like, oh, you know, he doesn't sit down talking to you. He's like, why do you want to give him an award? Then he's doing his own thing. So if you are lying, you are telling us that you walk all the way from your home to office of the president and then lie to the whole nation. No, it wasn't fake. But Ghana Armed Forces about let me say about 80 soldiers were there to protect the place. I'm gonna say a live band.
Wow.
So there's nothing fake about it. UN disclaimed it.
A call viral. They say,
sounds like
snap or chwapa.
I just snap to her. And one thing about award, they say, award here, number one, it's a event crowd for. The only award on your Ghana industry awards.
Oh, okay.
And still the brilliant here, and they'll confuse a lot because me and my awards are no. And I'm like I said, if I feel like I'm from PhD thesis, I can write it very well.
Wow.
Because I did CNN for a documentary, they contacted me, like you said.
Okay.
A whole lot of media houses. I reach me, because yeah, no, but yeah, let anybody to office now.
You can.
Who I am sure.
Okay.
Radio UN for natural, but I was from my office.
Wow.
Just say packaging and the way I'm seeing it now. If you don't take it, you say UN.
Oh, okay.
If you don't take care, but then
it's a then show crown as I dream about you. We yes such sunny amount.
All the time I'm learning. Me go school don't be some mates. Wow, Black Rasta. Me go school in fact time.
Black Rasta your mate.
Yes.
Okay.
Me go school in fact time. But what shade and I mean who I have.
Wow.
I want to be there. Me take pen. I'm doing a lot of research.
Research, okay.
Me go deeper in it. See, and I don't want die 1 hour.
Wow.
The rest is prayers, meditation, and then reading extra books. And my communication with our mama was stronger.
Okay.
Anything. And if even somebody will come and say, I'm giving you $10 trillion, change the flask to whatever you want us to use it for. It will change the motif.
Okay.
And that's sir, I didn't attach,
Okay.
Because like I said, Ghana ambassador to Gambia, you're media person now GTV. Ghana ambassador, High Commissioner to Kenya, Ashite Dinto. I'm sending letters from Ghana ambassador to Germany, Freddie Blair wife.
Oh.
Everybody, to the extent that some of them, you have to even travel to their
countries before.
Yes, okay. On a holiday or Ghana day to go break it down.
Okay.
And even new at the end.
Okay.
But then, my proposal, they call big offices 2 years ahead of time.
Oh.
To be able to say fake beer, when an invitation letter 1 year before the event day.
That's just say.
Why didn't you do your cross checks and investigations? Do maybe now in granting interviews, especially me we in yes, someone like delay. Me train more 2 years.
Okay.
Because the controversial people will make it like it's like a scam.
Okay.
But then not stronger escape work for no. These are people we don't play with. Or what kind let anyway. Then he calls you into his office because if you or fraud say. Just come because of whatever. He's just like a CID.
Wow.
Cross-checking you and everything you do. And we put two theory into practice.
Okay.
Like a global award with Ghana. Award that because I was a call Ghana. I could share ministers, Asia, big founders and presidents. Together before. Be that. One minister under Ghana Music Awards. 2 ministers under Ghana Movie Awards. Pastors Awards. You don't have a 2-force representation at your award sitting. Mining companies, about 5, 10 sponsoring me.
Wow.
I'm almost seated. They were fighting over seats.
Oh, wow.
Ministers. Town, I tell me, award a national anthem. So, I invite home like I say fake.
Okay.
But then whoever came, so I say, make I didn't show myself.
Okay. But so we invite you was na kasa be brain na so be kasa you fake.
We who the kind yeah he says or the milk brand or
the okay.
Because any fabric or let's go to court.
Okay.
And then let's
break court issues.
Nobody you can't even do it because you work.
Oh.
You tarnish the image of the whole thing.
Wow.
The big people behind it, those that came. Then I at the we started 4 p.m. And I do what? You can imagine the number of people who banner. And I say, and then strictly by invitation.
Wow.
80. Obi about in the bloggers, the Facebook. Wow. Meanwhile, I had invited CNN, BBC.
Oh, okay.
Media houses. 80. Be who how, but then over hire saboteur or sabotage what?
Yeah, what you were doing.
Yes. And then maybe I may know your idea. Say, and if you person ever, whatever you say, I don't take it serious.
Oh yeah.
So paper stipulation will tell you say, oh okay, young reference it. You don't have that. A fake. A fake in Zanoko.
Yeah.
Let's meet. Let's.
But doctor, in Chawa, no time and some no buy a ban. I mean, buy scandals and stuff.
Yeah.
Ban. We are not in December. It is we lose near my baby.
A lot.
My wife for crap.
If you are required, me cotton, you are never back. A catcher says, so as we fake and Tom.
As an OB and person, but bounce.
Yes. But I was happy. It was making because me self-known that me before I step out. Set me tell you unless you are able to educate me.
No, but in some way, you know what?
Jesus was like that.
Oh God.
This Jesus who is today going to judge us was crucified. There all kind now, you need to gain or done or my ready. And the come there as a failure.
So then now
so I was like, the people that are trolling their word, Osha, you are invited on number one. Because the buy BBI is a serious person. Because I hear for I say about voter people, or my friend can say, especially when Sarko even release a song against me.
Wow.
I hear for I say, they just said it because will be a number. Or friend me and the number. May reply to a patrol.
Awarded the man Cadillac or Ghana. A Suman Motors and the man. The person of Sumuju. Me buy yana me car, me tofu a Suman Motors because so what talk about your track to be more careful. I have tell Abesi Abesi. A Suman Motors, no accident. The car no accident. So better or car, cash, so better swap or car. Let's Suman Motors ready to help you. Me, a Suman Motors is me rival car that. Aye, somebody about. Or the mount, no to tell crack. Institutions for be a muhia, a be a car be, or a Suman Motors. On sa ebe kan odi the patron numbers na e le good screen na you just
if they are like come the name of fans one team for we won got time to for ne government him for nim ka say come award so they will be doing what they are doing but I begin to go on media talk explain it we have a full document you submitted to here and there on your sponsorship so he brought my mind back home.
So now would you say musicians now would you?
Oh yeah. I mean third anniversary we maybe I mean celebrity award no anniversary that. Just 28th August or so, free Saturday neighbor. They organize themselves see the black what's that multimedia. Oh, I won but talking then insults and all that. And I'm like, Ghanaians lack etiquette. You could sit down with the University of Ghana Vice Chancellor on the same table to receive award.
No.
Recognition.
Yeah.
What are you expecting? What have you even done? Besides, well, we done a 1 year merit award from if even it were UN. Who feels like away from me? You're part of such a call. You should be really proud, sir. But who are chasing because. Now come we are seeing I
didn't know who we say because then
media houses not be a bit me from Mama come to Kwana be a friend. When you some the back of court in what you are. And so I even want them to go and so that they feel the reality of the whole thing.
Okay.
We ask them to want grow too much. Because to the extent that Shatawale was not called. But Mrs. and 20 years in police attire or dressing cartoons where a judge
and he organize everybody. He give everybody, he gives some people plate, he gives some people fork, he gives some people spoon, some people say ashtray, ou pepper moi.
No, who?
And no podi shatter the yen so no.
In matters like so trending issues are not serious issues anymore. Adia, I am trending. You mentioned Kofi Annan's name. And you are still laughing. On Santiago, in honor of Ghana Armed Forces and Albert Sahono. So just Bema come. I remember me this letter come on minister. Protocol me firm na etwe ensi pomo. A house from them who am
Okay.
Ministerial assistant.
Oh.
I don't kasa kwa who
Then I don't know. Maybe na management nso na omo anye enema ye ama because mama ade a wo ye nyina eye genuine. It meaning the enti e be ma na basa. Because unya problem pa o.
Yeah, big problem. You know say
you are a strong man pa o.
Me didn't actually nyom you mark nya time I would see I my experience. I mean tough times never last. It takes really tough people to get there. And yeah, easy. And then a home throw family members.
Okay, Nana, yes, I make it no. Say, Obeya award. One more, Obema award. Woman.
Yeah.
Musicians here, Wakasa, woman named Sawobema award.
One award letter. It carries everything. It
So,
contains everything as our kind.
Baba
now ma forms come.
At the end of the day, because I share me say, be must say, oh, I'm more returning awards.
Yeah,
social media.
I don't make it. Almost social media talk. Actually, for the past 3-4 years, I've been the man trending all around.
I know.
Yeah. To the extent say other African countries frame me by 7G award.
Wow.
Social media personality of the year and all that. Then better me can say Ghana for who say when this guy said me trending and the English can there, they will bite their portions.
Oh.
That's what they were doing.
Okay.
So I didn't take them serious. Because platform Ben me koya man can they make ya.
Okay.
It's the same thing because I experienced it.
Oh.
Me friend Dominia and me team. Say.
So called you na one our friend will be
Yeah.
Mami Bisa, did you come out to debunk what people were saying? Because I also now enjoy.
No.
You seem to enjoy the exactly.
No,
you seem to enjoy exactly. What I saw was
there's no seriousness on this landscape. Don't I have my private life? Yeah, event. It was stressful for me. 3 years preparing for this.
I know.
A year before, and I'm 2 years koda. Me guest house. Me name me team for yeah. I reason together behind a full guest house for 1 year. Stressful. I call Northern Region. And we more call Western Region. We call Northern Region. Now traffic flight. We call research.
But yes,
my way event. Not my free. Say I'm laughing. I'm Israel. Why do you call it?
But listen to you. As some I ain't no cry and I say Bibisa. And so when because as a baby I'm a piano.
Maybe I'm a serious part of me that. When you make a say yes, but
as I want to so what did you bloggers listen too much? Oh, my we are seeing there who said now we are.
And so it is up to us.
Do you really have an instituted management?
Yes,
because
stronger one.
I felt say send a buy, every serious institution no omo benya representative nya wo kwa obenya PR obia obeba out abe PR omo adwuma no ade na nya kura they come out to defend it. We didn't see anything like that.
We did that.
And as baby I no mu do
exactly. And so
you don't know Ghanaians. You haven't faced it like the way I
facing more than that.
Because what I did, I'm not supposed. See, I was on Joy FM being interviewed on a Saturday morning. Couldn't believe, say, my ex-wife, it's me in the family, one on text message, WhatsApp, to spell the show on Joy. Commenter, I am interviewer. Oh, now so, see, me interview, very interesting. The whole Ghana is listening and watching online. Then, you see, who commenter, man. Then the guy started reading. Obonidi. No, that guy is a stupid guy. He's a criminal, freak guy. Sack him from the state.
Who was that? Your wife?
That person was a government official. High-time government official that he mentioned the name I heard. Me real content, everything. Ghana focus on one server. It's so easy.
I know. But the thing is, baby, I meant to say. They say, I'm not sad you is. Well, losing your maybe bring.
mean,
when a brother na asem isi wuluzu no wife ntem ye basa.
I want the answer, but people created say
I know.
Yeah, Doctor. I want internet. So what do you want?
It was a wife, and I'm asem we ask now wife Johnny Jao. Jao. A brother na asem we see.
I think say 3 days or 4 days now. I just 2 movies. Then
wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cause asema kase yentiasie because if say bibi is serious asa radio tour and asa ko to yancheche o
Nana doctor we yire na wonim nia wo yina
yeah onu some ma was
na wo say ojawo because of name and
influence people were
influenced as she was influenced by
people yeah
how can she be influenced by what
exactly or the sike
exactly
or
there is something else apart from that
it is media this experience there Ghanaians we more Accra as the main crop for I have a lot of agents abroad me answer me event organizer they were like oh Ghana and Kwana events they are not serious. The thing you did that will solicit for sponsorship big company sponsor and wage no can repair fake no fake on you
need me course wo wabra bo mu nyina no through your life story any awards woman yen there's a scandals about mu nyina again was she free
I have no friend I have no friends.
Okay, it was said now for so can one betray you, sir.
Oh, but now wife of crown for Bible said the trust not even the one that you go naked with in bed. So and number one, I share what is out already. What is out? I don't talk too much because your secret is your power.
Yeah.
And then experience in the endorsement because lessons learned the you be out doing you hardly see my car.
Yeah.
You hardly see me eating here no there. Say cause a school reunion or whatever. Even I learned Obi catch me say Katanga how for your study. Shall I go and then do them some manner. Not maybe launch my album December. So may I say I'll do something for them because they say my uncle school.
Wow.
I'm out for say Dr. You and Uncle University Uncle school. If you say even SHS Uncle, oh, to the extent I'm more con. Some guys say I feel me few but I don't mind them because I trick. Okay. I don't know they unseating me from what I'm doing. And if I sit back to even look at Ghana, the kind of awards they do, the way people go up and down, serious people are there. You don't even put them on the limelight, on the platform they deserve to attract fans for worldwide people. Because we are expert in proposal writing. If I wrote proposal to United Nations, World Bank, and I came out with water project, say award, maybe an award in 2021, Ballon d'Or, Ghana, they say, hey, money biscuit plaque. Biscuit. So Ghana Web was say, wow, now we understand Dr. Ewan. We'll be quite a Sunday. Ghana Web publication free London Brem Sefa. Comfort the producer. Sefa. No send around and say, oh, Dr. Ewan Fanny at you as a Ghana Web for crowd publishing. What the bottle to my award place.
I think that maybe say
a concept. A concept depending on what's your objective.
That is award be our interest.
Sir, Mamenda Speaker of Parliament, I say.
Okay.
Me yare kidney.
Share.
Me kidney problem.
But share camera in Dana.
Speaker of Parliament, Right Honorable Alban Bagben is one motivational person.
Okay.
And I had kidney problem.
Okay.
And I can't fast here. He sent people to come and aid me. Wow. I mean, Apostle Kodosa for every morning he will send you message. Me don't forget kwame. Me show say fanyaminanti na.
Okay.
And then the lawyer do. I mean, these great people, you can't fake them, you can't lie to them.
I say for you try your mwaba.
For your graduation enjoyment,
Angel Cola.
Beach hangout,
Angel Cola.
your refreshing moments.
Angel Cola!
For your parties, get-togethers, events, and celebrations, enjoy a chilled bottle of Angel Cola. Radio Grandma, today is your day. Over to you.
Thank you. Enjoyment Cola.
The Enjoyment Cola. Enjoy all your moments and fun time with Angel Cola. This advert is FDA approved.
Live life we go full my belly.
CJ boy. Wakade. Se wo pe stage, light, screen, sound, ana empo video production. Ye ni nyina.
Enu nti se ye nwum to gimedie. Se ye yie, se ye nipadom hia mu. Se ye mbeye live streaming ema ene hu hihye nyina. CJ multimedia se ye wo ho ma.
Ube hu ye wo boshen, ye ni masalachi janshimi di nhye ni mu. Freyen 050-196-7227 ana 024-608-1616.
CJ multimedia, ye ni masters no.
Too many worries
Therefore, the more quababim, so nya bre, I'll jay bre, I'll show you. Nakopon coso on shroud, like I say, was here in Arabia 7 to 8 or Angel TV. Yawata repeats when your time and share 9 to 10 you read in your brenashe. So I had to watch and jelly made in the very emum. T. And one more judging is saying a fake. No, yes, come on now, Miss Ramo. Oh, what to say? Be a body share now was sense you a COD and your sanity. Cabana can be uncle Coco Jill. Because Bibiki to be it will be Jill. Now the whole world, and yet the whole Ghana, the whole world. Now we just say a whole lot, not Augusto, not just say, and yet the year come, and then yet the year dream. Assemble, my use soon come. Young Chimui, it was dog. Mama, if I show Bremuka Crama,
answer this some question. Many Dr. Ewan, yes, you didn't come up.
Okay.
This is the timer. Nabema, we hear Sunny,
best supporting.
Number one, apart from physical support,
3 years,
interceding for him because this was all over the world. And he tells me, say, the wife was involved, everything he did, which means that you were privy to everything. So why would you step aside and now support your husband's enemies? So the wife gave him up. She betrayed him. Okay, he didn't get obia na obe support. And imagine say. Also, that maybe say now our management. Imagine say as we buy. If the wife had come out to even do a small video, say, hey, my husband is not fake. I see people, I say him. Obama standing behind. I think say all these things wouldn't have gone on. And I'm also saying, say, and Kofor was so my word in a woman out because say, and you people sat down with all these dignities. Also for the representatives were both speaker of parliament or boy when suddenly a faker. Why would they all come? And almost so no assembly by no can be ma can be video call to tell you something.
Like I should ignore those things.
Because
all right, they wouldn't come out. I am dwelling on the marriage.
Okay.
And then till death do us part. No matter what.
But mommy, and you're in marriage, I won't say Bassa, or say Bushin and answer in my and I'm fooling in my. Bassa very sad.
No.
Because we know here in quantity year, woman.
When you are winning a ducket, so when you were you about out to say, we say, what about what we say? It is what your partner says. Because people change. They are quite worried. For instance, me nuanu mu nyine say nya metie ne bia me beni ne ye my different because I say papa ne ye business. We I say you see bibi the papa business. E bia me de me ho akwa me nuanu me no mu nyine no mu nim say me to saa. Ye be kohwe mu na bia say me ye dealings bi e ma me sika. So how can they come defending me? Enti me kuna me ne te me saa he me chia o. Me ne te no no be ka say oh me yira kosia ampa wo ye oye and will be defending me. Na me kunu ba out because hey me yere say was what trying to boase. Na onya time na watimi asa akọ. Ba wo ba ne de wa no. Nti wo kwa it's okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you so much man. I mean sure. Oba ne de wa mo mama na eka counselor e na eka o. Awura yere so oba ne de wa mo nti wo kwa wonko nyame mere pa. Nyame de foforo be ba wate. So nsema wa kan nyina no. Ye be born tofa na say yes am be to just Joyce be awo Germany woni na be ware ye nsem bebre some ni nyina doctor I mean it's say some clear niema what you say because you rat 2024 so please clear how my na ye
Joyce said so be him say Joyce is a creative artist like a content creator.
Okay,
so I mean she's like with me saying it channel I say.
Okay, so we're not much than I'm creative. She has a movie or just for
content creator who can our followers for like our influencing so.
Okay.
It's what they are on the educated. My word now the mayor series now. I mean it's me and myself I'm here transcript now. But how she my bag
say series 1 2 I short file no educated will be. So champagne for na ade wachi na I think say maybe sa no because champagne for boss yi nya kasa kra me ho adwiri mi so what you say
Nayas
they join ho pa you know say me what and etitiri fo nyina e pe wasem it is content bibi sa na mo ya na mama Ghana fo ehun say e ba ye na say e ba ne de untimi nka nchire yen say be content bi na mo ya de educate what you say but later na say we betimi explain na because I said, Chinabi said, be serious, sir. Obi and for serious.
Award there's no fake award in the world. Number one. Anna Bia Anna. Okay. The moment I will accept forms, acceptance form. You decline or accept. Yeah. The award letter, I order Papa Bia de Sakrat and Crown. Or accept somebody award. One who venue, one who security, everything. So I say from Bia team say. The catch will be our wadada. Okay. It's not fake award. Okay. Because it's fake, now can say me in car. The person should prove it. Oh. Then Yanko Port in good Janica. Oh. There's no fake award. And anything can be award symbol to honor anyone. Okay. Because me award we did my time me say me senior fair. Oh no. Presenters na kind. Then one day me could show na me open videos.
Okay. Oh.
Then everybody was in goose pimples. Wow. Because they will let you. I said, "Well, one pretty laughter, him They challenge you to kill yourself. That's why I don't take them serious. They challenge you to kill yourself. Okay. Can you imagine, say, a giant media house right now? Who can say BBC, CNN, Ghana, CNN, and a cast of money is incredible. They sat me down on their platform for over a month discussing me. Now they may be a management in Ghana. Then a serious guy who is news editor so will be discussing, laughing A to Z about everything. Accent granted. A whole big giant editor. What accent even on the thing is not your fault. And I was serious.
That is Ghana for you. Yeah, Ghana for you.
I catch up say, there's no fake award. And me born nipada, and I'm sharing. Oh, because they will come social and management are cancel handles no. And not beautiful because those were the messages comments that were coming. And they influence bad people. They don't go out. We go out to research to award people. So we face the negatives of society. The what cast out TV and radio the machine enko jam zongo bi se me kopet panyi bi ene din komo about hompun to near wabaso hwese me ko ha me bro ha but you are destroying everything that is credible. And the metric can say, oh God, we have to begin. What's your biasema? Shushem, now the best place to take it is court.
It's court, yeah. So why are
I tell you a whole week now. You won't come and say you can radio any TV.
The enemy for see a cancer and I also be a hype.
Hype, I mean, here hype behaving by this time. Okay. Because Opa Pia wanted you be better camera.
So what no once I will you jaw. I'm
a man, that kind of wife.
Okay.
Because when a mama kind of betray me.
Okay.
No matter what, you want to think her.
Yeah.
But she even
the watch us as soon as you say
well, maybe that means
yes, Upunyanka, Ubepeso, Besamba beam.
Right now, I don't feel like married. I don't feel like. Anna, two. In Kola 2, Nina, or horses.
Bako, Hannah, Bako. Nana, a warrior no nipa me no na worry. Nipa ba ko na ma warrior no. You. Ye me no.
Okay.
Say ye me nyina ya amfa ya dwen a ma warrior na enye successful. Imagine say wa warrior na ba ko de on de odi a che ni trim say da bia mema trouble about warrior no ma. Wo ye day. One sha wo be ye depressed that last day on earth. So the only thing is to load the person off.
Yeah.
To say okwa. To say na make no. Say obepe oba for fra or to ne boase anya adaje to get. And to say obeko running into the ebeye ways because oba ne be hu say no. We hiamwa. We abofra so di wachi. And obia akoma ne ma ho. And also so and share na so aba no aba be ye ne me bia ma no so abejai na fe ya beta ge Dr. You and there to me worry see one say we be say ya na ne reho and I realize say me na doctor but depression there nana we because depression tin na no wo share them only pa we depressed you don't even feel like mingling with people nya me be ye what ya na
and 7 nyina obo ne tofa wo ho na udi bi ma Ghana for na for mame we obi apese o chia no bia chia no telephone number o pese o de tudwa na de atudwa afi social media handles into no di kan tu o for Ghana for ni obi a
the mechanism say nya go try in every situation.
Okay.
Yembo ni pada.
Okay.
Na me na ma de chia on na ma incidents na incidents. Why won't be you can cause it to happen.
Okay.
And I say ka oba bia won nkanya won ka pe. Inti me srem the woman na fire ni no. And me kwa the other people are when you're stronger, they die along the way. Mr. Mo, yeah. Minya kidney, that. The last word of an commentary.
Jeez.
Before and after my awards.
Everyone is answering me.
Yeah, me need a full corner dance. I never knew say we. That makes sense with them. So you should feel for others, especially children, women.
Wow.
You have to, they won't preview brand phone kakra because even I'm crying. You know?
Wow.
Please.
Now when you say kidney, no, it's connected to your heart. Ubenya kidney issues, I will be pioneer.
Wow.
Anne.
Doctor.
What's
it?
Yes. Ebeye what's it? Ama yen na yera ho but ebeye.
Patronment to us.
I'm chairman lawyer Kwame Adofo.
Mama nyame nshira wo pa obatan. Nyame nshira wo ye obatan. Mama mpacho e da se to nsafro wa ba mpacho final words seconds pe na me pacho telephone number and na me pacho social media handles.
The make kire enipa a ehwe ye ne se depression real. So wo ho no wo cause challenge bi mu na wo hyede mu person bebe nipa o real who so just depression achiwo. Maame me ba wotie me pe wo bi na pour out ma enko te say ne Dr. You and Ekomi so wo pese wunyini cha find somebody trustworthy person be counselor and I will be I will feel say wo ka wasam kire na won fa nko to bedwem na ka wasam na ye relief my number is 0242 65 24 47 0242 65 24 47 Orire Nana Penning ahen.
Social media handle.
With social media Orire Nana Penning ahen social media platforms ni na. Yes.
Mama, Nana Ere.
Oh, Miss Sweetheart, Papa J. Your wife is here. Oh, your nonsense wife. You get it. I love you so much. Thank you for carrying me throughout. You have been my counselor, my director, my everything, my brother, and everything in this marriage. Nana, what him? Me worry in the first 5 years. Me to me, me go hosam. Me worry me na me say about patch.
From 5 years ago.
Under 5 years. What to me to them? I just a walk on.
Ebusia ahana brand be makwan ye djumadi no ye DSC yakon shawo wa de bia wo nyambre na wo chese wo se wadaje na wo hwe program ye nye ne sa akeke a life experience ba na be share na de wu kum ana se de ya toda no wo de bia hye hu kwan wo hwe bibi efri wo ti obi asem nso susuka fa ne sese ye wa nkasen ene be ye yetime kana yas me ho asem sa na me ma me kora ye nya pressure e di asem is when auntie bi da ubusuya ni bi ya na ye oba bi ya na ye unua bi ya na ye nti wo die nyina na ye hwe yi ano kasa ebusuya ha me kai wo se ba etiri papa bi dia me ya me ma me ewura yi ro ba wa kan for me so say me ba ye kora na me hu cute cat palo say baby bia wo bia occasion bia wo ko bia no bo modern a say obehwehwe won wo location e wo Abeka Junction ne so ho no ma bus stop wa and a cute cat palo e wo me do baby a wo bia bo modern a say obehwehwe cute cat palo wo numbers e na e da screen ni mu no bo modern a na frɛ wo na say ba na aduane papa so a ya hye da de natural spices aya me ma me ondidi abonten aduane e ma me owura yere but pardon food dey utimi won aduane say natural spices means and a doctor you and it we so nya aduane bia na wodi but pardon food utimi edi bomodin a won numbers and the full screen ni mu a etwagu no bomodin a na frɛ won me dofo ai atare e hye in fact ye atare na chese ene kasa me akasa na say me sleo baby bia wo bia am say banatare papa kama enye Togo nye China bomodin a won telephone numbers na egu o screen animo no location no e wa Abom Junction ho no ma bomode ya na from baby a wo bia e be delivery e dey abroad mirror way as e ba edem furniture dey empam konwa wardrobe just say dressing mirror bibia kama dia I furniture dia a king of antique furniture mirror baby a wo bia no delivery no e free but na ya asidin wo mo wala pass a brand sport building name and a king of antique furniture e wo bomode ya na ko je odi wate na me bana mbesra wa metinya yourself ye me call lady counselor hono mo a owura yere say na me gigi dead dem say I do the via masa enye easy na king of antique furniture nya papa bi me do for afi na say back equipment dia cameras ni sound ni light ni studio just say ya ni etwa keke o CJ multimedia this is Kumasi Boshen Junction opposite Masalachi Boshen Junction so no ma it of one numbers in a chegu screen anymore number ni bi me 0545059319 0545059319 it of baby I will be able more than say obesho CJ multimedia they are the masters with will be an omodia na fro it of me am edit media original Nayas
I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by eyes. 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 I'm so happy I can
This program is proudly sponsored by
CJ Multimedia,
Angel Cola,
King of Antique,
the next gospel star.